Alright. Pulling up to Sun City West neighborhood. Haven't been over here in a long time. It's a retirement. Literally the entire city, I think, is a retirement city. You have to be 55 plus to live here. But we're picking up a Stanley Steamer van that won't start. So let's go see what we can see. Hello?
How's it going?
Pretty good. So does it do anything when you turn the key? Just cranks?
I haven't tried it since I talked to you.
Okay. Yeah, definitely a battery issue like you said.
Our mechanic, the battery light came on, so
Yeah.
he checked the battery and said it was good. He tested the alternator and said it needed replaced, so we replaced the alternator.
Right.
I think. I don't know.
Battery's not holding a charge maybe? Yeah. Alright. So you have the key. See, sometimes these are finicky with going into neutral if they won't start. So let's see if we can get it to do that. Good to go. Yep. Alright. Alright. Just get a couple pictures, then we'll get it hooked up. Let's see. Get the plate in the VIN because I had to make the call. The link wasn't working for him for some reason. Let's see. CJ. Oops. CJ 19536. What the fuck with my phone? CJA. Oops, not CJA. 19536. Holy shit, that was painful. Alright. Last three of the VIN. Let's see. 377. Alright. 2015 Ford Transit. Alright. Need the big hooks. Both of them. Should be good. That one right there. Go to the other side for that one. Ooh. Oh, yeah, yeah. Damn. This thing's so hard to steer. There is the big tool. This one. Tie it down like a truck. Need to get a different hat or something. This shit keeps falling off. What the hell? There's like nowhere to hook this thing up. Guess we'll just go off the rear end. Oh my gosh, now we got a neighbor coming out to talk to the guy. That's no way to spend a Friday. Just walk by him, like, start talking to him. Tight there, good to go. Gonna do the wheel gaskets in the front on both sides, obviously. This is taking longer than it should. Not quite sure why though. Oh yeah. Let's see. Good to go. All right, backing into Stanley Steamer. Giant warehouse. Not sure how far back or where exactly we're putting it, so let's see. Ugh. Where does it need to end up?
Here, let me show you.
I was gonna say, let me walk it first, just to be sure.
In front of this
The orange rack?
orange rack.
Almost touching it, or what?
Well, they typically, when we park here,
Just to clear the door?
front end will be about right here.
Okay.
Yeah, clear the doorway.
Clear this door?
Yeah.
Okay, no worries.
Get exit out of this door in the morning.
Sounds good. Hopefully. All right. It's always fun backing into warehouses to unload. Let's air out the bags just to give ourselves more room on the top. Yeah. He didn't say anything at the pickup, but when we got in the truck, he was telling me he's got a 3-cylinder Kubota, some shit in the back, like for water dispensing, and like a bunch of equipment, water tank. I'm like, fuck, that's why it feels so heavy. I just want to triple check that this is gonna clear. Lots of room, right? Okay, I just want to make sure. I don't want to take this fucking roof off. This is the last thing I want to do. Oh yeah, lots of room. Okay, just couldn't tell because the driveway is kind of angled. I was gonna say when the bed comes down, it goes out real far, and I can roll it. Oh. Yeah, I can like just roll it off the bed so we can make it land wherever. Okay. Do you need it closer to the wall?
Probably like about this far over.
Okay. Yeah, no worries. Let me come back and then I'll straighten out and get it more to that side. All right. Just want to get him best solution we can. All right. Yeah. And then I'll make sure I don't glide the bed on the floor also.
Yeah. The same truck got towed for the water pump too.
This one? Oh shit.
Yeah, just like 2 weeks ago.
Oh no. How many miles are on it? I didn't even see.
Like 190,000, something like that.
Yeah. So I mean it's higher mileage, right? But it's not like crazy.
No. About half of our trucks we got in 2015.
Oh, okay.
And we're working them out.
Right. Let's see if that'll get us enough slack.
They're about 80 grand to replace. So
I know.
we run 17 trucks on it.
Oh dang.
Expensive.
Yeah, for sure. That's crazy. You guys keep a mechanic on standby, or he just comes like a mobile?
He's a mobile mechanic. We've got one. We've got a shop mechanic for our cleaning unit.
Oh, okay.
And then we have a mobile mechanic for
The engine.
because we have 2 locations.
Oh, gotcha. Let me answer this real quick, sorry.
Yeah.
Towing. Good, how are you? Okay, let me see here. Give me 1 second. All right. People calling me. All right. Sorry. Hello? Can you hear me? Oh, no, not really. Yeah. Carl from MBZ, and I think that's the shop number he called me from. All right. Yeah, it just left the shop. They were taking it for a test drive, I think. I'm getting one dropped right now, so I can head over to it. I just wasn't sure what you guys were doing. I thought he was free. Okay, no worries. All right, you got it. Bye. Oh, it never stops. Starting the clip just a touch early because we're up at Bartlett Lake Dam Road, picking up a Bronco with what I suspect is a broken panhard rod, because he said his rear end is shifting side to side. Or at least a blown out bushing on the ends or something, because there's no reason for that to happen, obviously. All right. We're at Horseshoe Dam and Bartlett Lake Dam. Pretty much right on the crossroads. Way the shit up here. All right. Good to go. Or not good to go. Good to jump out. All right. What's up, man?
Play hard, pay hard.
Right.
Yeah, so this thing's got like an aftermarket 40 kit on it.
Okay.
And it's triangulated, but you know, hell, we did the Rubicon Trail in it last month, or back in October. And
Yeah.
for some reason, the last couple of days, I felt it kind of shift a little bit with me.
Right.
Because the triangulation don't have a panhard bar.
Oh, okay. I figured that's what it was, because that's usually what it is when that starts to happen,
Yeah.
right? So,
And
did you lose a bushing maybe?
I don't know, because we got in there and looked, and everything looks like it's in place.
Huh.
So it's a rock crawler 4x4 version of it. They make them for these. I know several people that have them.
Right.
So I live over in Peoria, so that's why I was going to have to take the ORV.
Gotcha, gotcha. Watch yourself.
Yeah.
Careful, people are flying up and down this fucker. I will in a minute, yeah. Give me 1 second. I gotta get the plate and the VIN and a couple pictures.
Yeah. The ass end of that thing is like violently,
Shimmy.
like 6-7 inches.
Oh, shit. Okay.
That's why I can't even drive
Yeah.
it. Once I drive it, like, just nurse it.
Right.
If you see this pullover,
Yeah. Let me see.
it's like,
Touching it almost?
oh, it's like burnt. It's almost
Oh.
to where it's
Oh, shit. Yeah.
Yeah,
The
it's
it's been
almost-
hitting the tire.
almost to that, but the tire's been hitting that because it where it slams over.
Yeah. That's a crazy amount of travel. And yeah, very expensive. It does wear through.
Yeah.
Let me get one more picture. I need to get. Yeah. All right. Let me get one more from this back corner. No, you're good. Then we'll get one of that shock just so we can kind of cover everything. All right, let me get the plate and the VIN, and we are good to go. Were you able to get a hold of them on a Saturday, or are we just dropping it off and you know them?
I know that they've done work on it before.
Okay.
So they're closed, so I'm just gonna call it Monday morning.
Sounds good.
So when we get there, I'll just take an Uber back to my apartment, and then I'll just call them first thing Monday morning when they get in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know if they have a key drop for you?
I don't know. If they don't, I'll just have to bring it back over.
Okay.
Either by Uber or get somebody to bring it over.
Gotcha.
They may not even be able to look at it today.
Right.
That's all I know.
Right. At least it'll be there, you know.
Yeah, I don't want to have to pay and have it towed twice.
Right, and I always try to tell people that. I'm like, don't tow it back home on the weekend. I'm like, you're just gonna end up paying me again. You know, I'll take all the money you want to give me, but
Yeah.
I'm trying to get you the best solution. All right, let me get all the straps out of the way, and we'll drive it up. Kind of want to winch it up, but we'll just put the winch on it after the fact. Oh shit. Yeah, every time I tow like a crawler, I always forget to move the straps, and then I'm sitting on half of them. I'm like, fuck.
Probably make that mistake at least once or twice, and after that, I'd say you probably get
Right.
as soon as you see like
Something wider than stock. Yeah. All right, let's see here. Which one do I want to use? We'll use the soft one. Not trying to mess up his stuff. I think it's on that side, actually. Okay. Let's see. Let me run this in. Drive it up, or you want me to? Okay, no worries. I'm gonna hook this up to it just for extra stability, but yeah, I just wanted to get it out of the way. All right. Right. Pull it up. That'd be funny. I've never had to do that before, but it probably would work, right?
Oh yeah. Pulling it out many other places.
Oh shit. It's one of those things where you hope you don't have to use it, but you know you're gonna have to.
That seat doesn't adjust. There's something broke on it.
Okay, so let me see it. Let me see if I can see. Yeah, I'm good. Where's the hazards? Right there. Where's the button? Okay. Button. Everything's a button now. Where's the damn window switch? I can never find window switches in anything. Yep. Yep. Oh, I found it. I couldn't find the window switches. We're good.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
If you hit that little camera button down there, right there near the RC, the volume. Right there you go.
This one? Oh, cool.
There you go.
Brilliant.
We'll have a little bit.
All right. Crawl up the bed. I thought it shut itself off. It's just so quiet. That idle kind of scared me for a second. All right, where's the parking brake? Okay. Damn. Oh shit! I forgot it was up. Higher than usual. All right. Hang on to that for me so I don't lose it. Sure. Thank you. What happened?
If I was smart, I'd do something like that. Spending money on stuff I'd have to drive it.
Trailer right over there. All right. Let's see. Ooh, not a lot of choices. Guess we'll go right here. Okay, that'll work. Damn it. Come on, fucker. Okay. Okay. Doesn't need to be crazy tight, just want to have it on there. God fucking damn it, stop doing that. Alright. His rotors are backwards. Sure, they work fine. I'm just a butthurt. Ooh. It shifted just driving it up the bed.
So if you come back here, you can see this tire's like almost completely outside.
Yeah, this one's like touching almost. I know it is touching. Shit.
Anytime the weight shifts,
That's crazy.
that's why I gotta get it.
Yeah, no way. Alright, well I'm not gonna try to force this down in there then. I'm just gonna get it on the backside and it'll stay from there, but yeah, that's crazy. Oh man. I mean, I don't imagine you heard anything like snap or ting or nothing, huh? It's crazy. Right.
Nah, anytime the weight shifted, that ass would start doing this.
Oh man. Yeah. No shit. That's crazy.
So it goes out of risk of breaking it worse.
Right. I always tell people that, like, if it's already broken and you keep driving it, it's just gonna make it worse. Right. Oh yeah, look at you can fit your head in there now. That's crazy. Oh shit. What happened? Oh yeah. Yeah. People are like, oh yeah, the check engine light came on and it was flashing, but my car still sounded fine. Okay, well, if you know the car better than the car knows itself, I guess. Mechanical sympathy is what I call it. I have too much of it. I'm a pussy when I drive my car sometimes. I'm like, what was that noise?
I get paranoid. That's why I've got to where I don't even play music anymore.
Right.
Everything that rattles and fits on my car.
Right. I'm the same way. Yeah. Oh man. I need to buy some mini J's. I don't know where my other ones went, because I could have just grabbed the tow hook on the front, put a chain on this, and been fucking out of here, but working with what I currently have. All right. trying to see if I could like move it by hand. Just I want to know what I'm gonna feel back here, but I guess we'll see.
We're talking about
The way it's shipped. Yeah.
we try, I would like wedge my body up against it and try to move it.
And you couldn't do it? No.
It's just the way of the vehicle.
That's crazy. Yeah. Let me let's see. Okay, I moved everything already. We're good. All right. Crazy. All right. Here at Off-Road Warehouse. Never been here before. Didn't even know it was a thing. Not an off-road guy. Oh man. Moving too much. Stop it. So does that kit still utilize the stock rear axle? It's just different brackets?
So yeah, I mean, if you want to look at it,
I can see it, yeah, that's cool.
it's got the triangulation kit.
Yeah,
The upper trolling arms like curved in like this.
yeah,
But that truss that's welded to it.
uh-huh.
You can see it right through here.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what I'd say. Everything's hooked up. Like we probably hear, because here's the lower trailer arm mount.
Right.
Everything's on.
Let me see.
That's why we don't understand why it's doing
Is that broken or is it? Yeah, that arm's broken right here, no? Oh no, that's just the adjuster, my bad.
that. Yeah.
Right here, on this side? Or am I just, that's just the adjuster that's shiny?
Yeah, it's the nut.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't see anything that looks out of place to me, but I don't exactly know what I'm looking at 100%.
Yeah, because like you can see it right here. It's like a nut unit. That's how they
Yeah,
adjust it.
yeah. Huh.
They probably won't know until they get it
Up on a lift.
up on the lift.
Yeah. Huh.
I mean, the good thing is if I did have to take it to total off-road, it's not that far down the street, I probably could drive it to there.
Right. No. Yeah. Yep. Ooh. Still looking to see if I can see anything. I don't see shit. It's crazy. Very interesting. Alright, last one. And the winch. Can't forget the winch. So I have done that before. I'm like, why isn't the car moving? I'll back it down, but then I'll have you park it. Just, yeah.
Yeah, I kind of figured it's what we do.
No worries.
Yeah, I don't know if I big ass and just climb up. That's all I can do, just climb in when it's flat.
Oh man, dude's funny. Ooh. Oh shit. Did you see that when I put the parking brake off?
Yeah.
Holy shit. That scared the hell out of me. I was like, no. Holy fuck, man.
Yeah, it's because it's the weight. It's causing
That's fucking nuts, dude. Yeah, no, I would not even have tried to drive it as far as you did like that. If it was making movement like that, fuck. Ooh. That scared the shit out of me. I can't even front. Oh my god. I was like, no fucking way. I think it like recentered itself, but then it like shook. I was like, oh my god. That's not good. Big ass staple. Whew. Holy fuck. Not good. Okay. Just get my drop-off picture and we are all set.
I don't know if I drop box over here. I'll probably walk around and see if there's one over there.
Okay.
A buddy of mine just messaged me. He said he talked to one of his mechanic friends back home. He thinks it might be a bad Heim joint, but
That's what I was saying. That was my first kind of thing after you told me it has the IFS, but I don't know. All right.